Are you still wearing your in-person jewelry for Zoom meetings? Look, no judgment. We all had bigger fish to fry in 2020. However, if you want to command the virtual room, look as polished as you do in person, and stay relevant in virtual meetings, it may be time for a jewelry upgrade. Today, I'm going to show you some of the best necklace styles that actually work on camera and won't cost you an arm and a leg, like this beautiful ceramic bead necklace. And stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you my favorite places to find unique, Zoom-friendly necklaces. And if you want to see more of these camera-ready style tips, be sure to hit subscribe now so you don't miss any of my latest discoveries. So let's dive in. Here's the thing, those gold or silver chains or chokers that make you feel like $1 million in person, they're creating a light show right under your face on screen. Those metallic chains and pendants are highly reflective under typical home camera and lighting setups. And as they catch the light, they produce a glare that draws people's attention and frankly distracts them and keeps them from looking at your face where you want them. So even though we love them, we have to retire things like our favorite David Yurman knockoff. And before you reach for your pearls, hold on. 2 things to consider. First of all, pearls are also highly reflective, and that white shine especially can be harsh on video. And secondly, pearls have a reputation for adding a few years. There's a reason why young women wear pearls to look more sophisticated. So if you want to project energy and authority in virtual meetings without adding years, pearls might work against you. So what are you supposed to wear? Friendship bracelets and macrame necklaces? Absolutely not. I've been on a mission literally around the world to find the best camera-friendly necklace styles, including some finds from my recent trip to Greece that I'm going to share with you. So let's dive in. First up, natural stone necklaces. So stones have more of a matte finish and low sheen, so they don't fight with your lighting. They also look very organic and sophisticated. And when you choose a stone necklace that has a variety of colors in it, it has a lot of versatility. So you can see that this necklace picks up the deep red in this shirt, whereas if I wear it with another color, it picks up that color. It's like having 2 necklaces in one. Next up, enamel or acrylic beading. Now, these necklaces are much more camera friendly than metal. This is what I call my David Yurman replacement necklace. And it really is the same elevated, pulled together look that I got from David Yurman with the silver and gold, but much more camera friendly. Has a little touch of some metal separators here, but very low glare and just a light touch on that. So beads are a great example of using color and using products to show off your face and not distract from it. This chunky acrylic chain link necklace is a great inexpensive statement piece. This deep red really nicely breaks up a 1-shade outfit that happens to be in black, which as we all know can look pretty flat on camera, but you have this necklace, it adds texture and dimension. And the best thing, it's available in a dozen or more colors. I'll show you where to get it at the end of this video. I found this handmade ceramic bead necklace on the island of Crete, and I loved it so much that I bought it in multiple colors. It's got great texture, visual interest, and it has that artisan quality that makes you look thoughtfully pulled together. And it's a great matte finish that works wonders on video. So before we talk about where to shop for Zoom-friendly necklaces, have you checked your own jewelry box? A lot of those longer styles that work great in person, but they get cut off at the bottom of the frame, can be easily adjusted by wrapping them around a couple of times into more of a choker look, like that. See, brand new necklace. Maybe you have some pendants that you really love that were on a shiny cord you don't want to use. Well, you can find these leather or acrylic cords online and create your own look. Jerry-rigging that pendant on there. But as you can see, they come in multiple styles, colors, and number of cords for a more modern, contemporary look. So besides your own jewelry box, where do you find these camera-friendly pieces without traveling to Greece or shopping every boutique in Manhattan? Well, I'm going to show you in a minute. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I am constantly testing new styles and products to make you look amazing on video. And I don't want you to miss what's coming up next. So here's where you can find great, stylish, Zoom-friendly necklaces. My favorite place? Artisan markets and art festivals. Look, your local artists are creating stunning pieces with natural materials, ceramics, and non-reflective finishes. Plus, you're supporting a small business. Etsy is also great. Just filter your search for handmade, ceramic, wood, or acrylic necklaces, and you'll find incredible one-of-a-kind pieces. Surprisingly, hotel gift shops are great places to find curated, unique, locally inspired pieces that you won't see on everyone else. And finally, Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Search for chunky acrylic chain necklace or resin statement necklace, and you'll find dozens of affordable options with lots of different color choices and fast shipping. Look, the right necklace frames your face, it draws attention upwards, and it makes your outfit pop. So give those metal chains and pendants a rest and try something that's designed for the digital age. So did this video give you some ideas of styles to try? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.